In this video, I'll show you how to see the sales by a customer in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to head over to the fourth option, which is reporting. Now, under reporting, head over to the favorite reports section. And at the bottom, click on the first option, which is account transactions. Now, once you are on the account transaction section, in here you can see your sales. So in order for you to see your sales, head over to the account section, click on the drop down. And what I usually do is set an account that has sales on it. So it will be 200 for me. Make sure to check 200. This means sales. Now, this will also depend on your accounts or your chart of accounts. If you have a specific account that you put where sales in, then you should just simply add that. Now, on the right hand side, we have here our columns. So if you click on the drop down, in here, what you can do is simply add the contact. Now, once you add the column for the contact, it will also show that. Now, what you need to do to add a contact is simply head over to the filter. And from here, you want to scroll down until you find the contact. Now, in here, it will be all of your customers or all of your contacts. So, let's say we want to see the sales by MCO Cleaning, as well as City Limousines, Capital Cab Co., 24 Locks, ABC Furniture. You just want to select the exact customers in which you want to see. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on Apply Filter. Once you do that, it will automatically apply those customers. And on the right hand side, if we click on Update, you will automatically see the list of sales that are related to these contacts. So let's say we only want to filter one contact. That should be 24 locks. If we apply the filter on the right hand side, if we click on update, you will automatically see the exact sales transaction with that contact. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.